Buenos dias. The day has come. It is time to climb Mount Chirripó. I would like to say that I just woke up from a 5 hour pre nap, but that would be a lie because I've been so excited and thinking about so much stuff that I think I maybe got 2.5 hours of sleep. So that means tonight's nap, when I get done with this thing, is gonna be epic. So right now, protein. Got some sausage. Got a bunch of eggs. I'm gonna make me a big old breakfast. The Chirripó coffee. Oh yeah. Let's go. Game time. Okay. 12:30 a.m. Let's do this. Look within yourself to find the ingredients and achieve success. Almost to 2 kilometers. From my weakness, I got a strength that never left me. 4 kilometers. Okay, we've just passed. We're about 10.5 kilometers up, a little over halfway, and the sun is just starting to come out. Finally, I can turn my flashlight off. All right, let's go. Yo, this is so cool. It's exactly 5 a.m. So I've been hiking for about 4.5 hours through the pitch black. But here comes the sun. Check this view out. Oh, right now I'm feeling pretty grateful because about 30 minutes ago I was at just before kilometer 10 and I was seriously debating turning around and going home. I almost quit like 75 times already. A fucking voice in my head. But you know what? I've gotten a little reinvigorated by the light coming out, so the fact that I don't have to hold my flashlight, because this damn thing sucks. So I had to hold my flashlight on my phone, and that made my arms more tired than my legs. So now that the light is coming out, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling grateful that I didn't quit. It's definitely one of the hardest things I've ever done. I thought my Arena Football League tryout and my WWE tryout were the hardest physical challenges of my life so far, but nope, that would be this. All right, check in later. Ciao. All right, 11 kilometers in, we're at 10,157 feet, and we got about 3.5 kilometers till the base camp. I can get me some damn bananas or something. I'm starving. Definitely probably a good idea to bring food on this hike. I didn't. I only brought water and a bag of salt. But yeah, probably a good idea to bring some bananas or peanuts or something. Next time I'll definitely do that. Damn, that guy was smart. I should have got a horse too. I should have been a cowboy. Without faith. Oh, I'm gonna keep the faith. Muy hermosa. All right, we're 12 kilometers down and 8 more to go. Got a beautiful sunrise. I didn't think I was gonna get a view this morning because it's rainy season, but so far so good. Kilometer 13, 10,443 feet, and now you can't see it, but it's finally starting to mist a little bit. Starting to get into the clouds, and I was wondering why so many people were like, why are you picking the rainy season? Why are you picking the hardest time of the year to attempt this climb? And why are you doing it only in one day instead of spending the night and doing it in 2? And why didn't you bring food? And why aren't you wearing clothes? Because there's a thing that's called a masogi, and you can look it up. It's in a book I read. A masogi is a self-imposed challenge that you put on yourself. Could be one time a year, could be a rite of passage into the next chapter of your life. But basically, it is something that you set yourself for that is so unbelievably challenging that you literally only have a 50% chance of completing it. So that's why I chose to make the hardest and highest mountain in this country even that much more harder. Because when you do what's easy, your life will be hard. And when you sprint towards discomfort, you know, among other things, you find out what the fuck you're made of. And anytime you have a hard time after this, you can always just think back to this and say, I fucking made it. So yeah. Okay. I finally made it to Crestones. I just hope they have some plantains or some bananas. I never thought I'd say this, but yo quiero carbohydrates. Oh, you know what else? You know what the craziest, most wild part about all this is? This is probably going to end up being like a 16 or maybe closer to 17-hour trip straight. And I thought my legs would be fucking killing me by now, but you know what? You know what's really killing me is my traps. Like, I'm holding so much tension there. I don't know if it's because of this book bag or what, or if I'm just subconsciously holding tension up there, but I could really use a deep sushi massage in my upper back right now. Tal vez mañana. So I finally found out where all those waterfalls come from. Way the hell up here in this lago. This is crazy. I've obviously flown in airplanes through clouds. I've went skydiving through a cloud once, but I've never walked through a cloud. This is pretty freaking cool. Almost there. About an hour and 35 minutes left. Nothing like a little morning sun gazing. The little bit of the sun that is out, I'll take it. Yo, I made it to Pride Rock.